Hi, and welcome to another FTC Fusion 360 tutorial. This is David from Team 16267 Forces Unknown. In the previous tutorial, I showed you how to import all of these Rev materials into Fusion 360 for CADing purposes, and in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to join materials together such that you're able to CAD your robot. So here we are in this project that I created in the last tutorial. I'm just going to scroll down to some random parts and import them in. So I'll grab this part and I'll import it into the current design, and you do that just by right-clicking on the item that you want and pressing Insert into Current Design. So I'll press OK on that one, and then I'll import the second one in. And for this one, I'm actually going to move it up a bit by dragging that arrow and then hit OK. So these are the two parts that we're going to want to join, and how we join them together is by pressing this Joint button. And what that basically does is that you select two edges, say the edge of this hole over here on this object, and then you select another one on the other object, and then it makes those two edges snap together with the rest of the object following along it. And this is very useful in joining parts together for CADing your robot. So I'll click this Joint button, and now we need to select our first component, and we'll just select the edge of this hole right here, and we'll click on that. And now it's time for us to select our other one, and we'll just click the edge of this hole here as well, and it should snap them together, and then we press OK. So now these two parts are jointed, and you can see that joint by clicking on this tooth looking shape here. It kind of looks like teeth anyway. You can just click on that, and you can delete the joint, or you can edit the joint if you have some things that you want to change. And now let's try importing a screw in here to fasten to this part that we've just created. So I'll import this screw into the design, and maybe I'll actually move it down a bit so we get a better view. And now we can press the joint button, and we'll select the edge of this bottom face of the screw head, and then we can select the edge of this hole here, and it should just snap them together just like that. So now we have the screw going through here, and now we can import a bolt into the current design to attach it to the other end of the screw that we just jointed. And I'll just rotate the bolt so that it's facing the right direction that we want, and hit OK. And now it's time for me to actually joint it, so I'll click the joint button, and then I'll select the edge of the hole on the bolt that we want, and then I'll select our second edge that we want to attach it to, just over there, and then I'll hit OK. So now we have this screw and this bolt sticking perfectly through these two parts that we've just joined together, and you can repeat this process for all of the other holes. And now you know how to join pieces together in Fusion 360, so you can apply this to multiple things in CADing, like joining the parts of your chassis together, attaching the wheels, and all sorts of other things. Thank you for watching this Fusion 360 tutorial. I hope you've learned a lot in these past couple of videos, and you can apply it to CADing your robot. Thanks, and goodbye.